friends, I'm out here at the state park this weekend. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me over the birds tweeting and the occasional plane flying over and the occasional child running by, but I'm going to do my best. I just wanted to share a couple of very cool things with you. Whenever I got home from my trip in Arizona, I had a couple of things in the mail, and one of them actually got before I left, so I just haven't had a chance to show you this stuff. And I'm just so amazed at the kindness of some of my viewers. You guys are awesome. I just want to thank you so much. So let me just show you what I got. My friend Mia from My Life Now sent me this little notepad. Like I said, I got this right before I left on my trip, and I've been using it ever since to write down my mileage and my gas costs and different geocaches, different notes I need to make. So yes, Mia, this went to good use immediately, and I can't thank you enough. That was so thoughtful. She also sent me a little girly thing, a little face wash, and that's just awesome. So that you were thinking of me, just that makes me so happy. That just made my day, because I sure think a lot of you, Mia. So thank you, girlfriend. I also got something cool from Dee at Native Tears. She's another awesome, awesome lady. And she sent a couple of us these. They're little earrings that look like fire. I don't know if you can see that very well or not, but it reminded her of fire. And she just sent me the cutest little note. She said she made these for all of her Fatwood sisters. So if you're wondering what Fatwood is, this is my little bag of Fatwood that I carry. It's a little Fatwood party in a box. I got this from Shell. And what it is it's just this really good, easy burning fuel, for lack of better words. I got some store-bought in here from Marvin also left. And a cup, yeah. So anyway, it's real easy to light, and it gets your fire going just like that. So I've had this Fatwood party in a box from Shell for a while now. It comes in handy quite often. I'm going to use it this weekend. But anyway, that's where the Fatwood sister came from, and I want to thank you, Dee, so much for being so thoughtful and kind and sending me this very sweet gift. I really can't thank you enough. You're awesome. And I know you made these by hand, and that makes them even more special. That's just too cool. This next thing came from one of my good friends, Nanci M. I've been following her channel on YouTube for quite a while, and she's been kind enough to follow mine as well. We've had quite a few great little conversations in the comments and stuff, so I really enjoy seeing her. So when I saw this in the mail, I was just thrilled. She sent this, and it's just so cool. I love the colors, and it's got little charms. I'm going to show that to you. Hopefully this is going to focus. It's got little compass charms on it. She said this is a necklace for Debake, my van. So my van is going to wear this very proudly on his rear view mirror. And I just love it so much. But what makes me sad is I got online to go find Nanci and tell her thank you, send her a little message, and her channel's gone. It's been deleted. So I sent her a little note, and I hope she got it, and I hope I'll hear from her again. That was just so very sweet of her to send this, and I really want to thank her. So anyway, Nanci, if you're watching this, thank you, sweetie. I love this so much. I will treasure it always. It's very awesome. So this last item I want to share with you, it came right after I left, and so I didn't have it before I went on my trip, and I sure wish I did. Sure do. But I didn't, so I have it now, and I'm super happy and super thrilled, and I'm going to put it on a magnet and hang it on my sticker cabinet. So this is a sticker from my friend Blind Views. If you guys haven't checked out his channel, y'all check him out. He's got a very unique way of seeing things, and I really enjoy a lot of his videos. So thank you, Blind Views, for sending me that. And if I ever run into that other friend, I will make sure and pass that second sticker on. So thanks a lot. I really appreciate that, and I think you're awesome, and that's the way I see it. Anyway, yep, I just wanted to share this with you guys because it was just so awesome. It was so awesome of these people to send me things. Dee over at Native Tears, Mia over at My Life Now, and Nanci at Nanci M, and of course, Blind Views. You guys are awesome. Thanks so much. Really appreciate all of you watching. I really enjoy the comments when you comment below. Can't get enough of those thumbs up, so if you have a minute, go ahead and hit that like button for me. I really appreciate it. Appreciate you following along on my little journey. I said I am out here at the state park this weekend. I've got some kids right next door. They're playing baseball, I think, right now, but it should be an interesting little time. I don't usually go to state parks. I usually try to stay at free places. Just every now and then it's convenient, and I'm meeting a friend in Dallas this weekend, so this gets me a little closer to where we're meeting, and hopefully we're going to have a good time tomorrow. I will definitely bring you along. So, because something else I got at the RTR that I am just going to treasure forever. This was given to me by Deborah Dickinson, and that is the author of this book. She also has a YouTube channel called To Meander with her friend Robert. So this is a book of short stories that she wrote. So I'm not all the way through with it. I haven't had a chance to read all of it, but I've read a couple of the little short stories, and they're just so awesome. I'm just so impressed with her writing, and I just love this book. So thank you, Deborah. I just cannot thank you enough for giving me this. Like I said, I'm going to keep it forever. And on the front page, next to your signature, I'm also keeping my 14-day stay pass for the BLM land, so I will remember where I met you, like I could ever forget that. But yes, thank you. This is an awesome book. She does sell them on Amazon. I'm going to put a link below in case anybody wants to go check out this little book, and I would definitely recommend it. It's very cute. So thank you, Deborah. You're awesome. I wish you the best of luck in all of your endeavors. Oh yeah, there were a couple other things I meant to show you. I got these at the RTR. This one is Cheap RV Living. I got it from, like I said, it was on a table at the RTR, and these are from Bob's channel at cheaprvliving.com. So I was really stoked to get that. And then also I got a RTR 2018 sticker. I just thought that was so cool. Like I said, they had them on the table, and they had donation cup if you wanted to donate, but they had stickers for all, so that was very cool. Really like them. So yep, I've got some magnet backing I need to get out. I need to get these on my filing cabinet so they can ride around with me in the van from now on. Coolness. I am so blessed, you guys. It's ridiculously blessed. My friends rock. I don't sing well, sorry. D, you're just the coolest, man. The coolest. Very cool. Alright, I'm gonna have to get a fire going. It's cold. Yeah, that was pretty lame. I'm gonna try that take 3 one more time. Yeah, I'm just going to wear this. I don't think Daybaki will mind if I borrow it. No, he won't mind at all. I love it. Awesome. Testing, testing. Can you hear the children scream?